गरीब साध साध सब नेक हैं, आप अपनी ठोरी, जो सतलोक ले जावेंगे वो साधु कोई और।
They say there is only light. In Satlok, only brightness, there is no Satpurush. And when the soul reaches there, it gets absorbed in it like a drop in the ocean, just like dying by drowning. So by souls first, no one will have interest that they go die by drowning in it, merge in it. A clear example is if someone says that God is in the ocean, go and jump. How many will die then? Few innocents might do it. Otherwise, any sensible person would say, it is told that we will see God. His hair follicles have brightness equivalent to millions of suns and moons together. This has been written in God Kabir's knowledge. And the liberated soul who have gone there whisk on God how they would whisk the formless. And then they tell that Sawan Singh Ji has narrated the story. One time there was a queen named Indramati. She was the disciple of God Kabir. First, Kabir Sahib merged in the sea, in Satpurush. And after that, when the queen Indramati went, so what do they tell? She went to drown. Now look at the words of Sawan Singh Ji, Santmat Bhag Prakash 4, on its page 264. It has been written on 264th page. Santmat Bhag Prakash 4. One follower asked Sawan Singh Ji, who is Sawan Singh Ji? He is the Guruji of Sacha Sauda, Khemamal Singh Shah Mastana Balochistani. This is Sawan Singh Ji. Follower questioned him, Maharaj, how far is the title of saints? Maharaj Ji, Sawan Singh Ji answers, we do not have such intelligence and wisdom to understand the title of saints. But still listen. Queen Indumati was during Kabir Sahib's time. First, Kabir Sahib merged with the Lord. Then, the queen merged. When the queen went to Sachkhand and saw the position of Kabir Sahib, she said, Maharaj, if you would have told me in advance that I am the eternal, then I would not have unnecessarily bothered to do the worship. Kabir Sahib replied, you would not have believed at that time. Now we will analyze this by souls according to their knowledge, according to the legislation of Radha Swami, according to the legislation of Jai Gurudev. If we consider that eternal God is not there, is formless, and only brightness, only light is there, how they have tried to present the truth as ignorance according to their legislation, but still it's not hidden. It is said,
चोर चुरावे तुमड़ी और गड्ढे पानी में, वो गड्ढे वो ऊपर आवे, न सच्चाई छनी ना.
Now think, according to their knowledge, they say that first Kabir Sahib went and merged with the Lord. The drop fell into the sea. His existence finished. And then they say that the queen went and merged in that. Both became one. Then at what time did they talk? How did she saw Kabir Sahib? If there is no existence there, then how did she saw? The truth is that God Kabir Sahib himself is in the form of eternal Almighty Lord over there. The reality is that Kabir is God. Kabir is Supreme God. He is Satpurush, the everlasting God. Swami Ramanand Ji has said,
दोहू ठोड़ है एक तू और भया एक से दो, और गरीबदास हम कारणे आए हो तुम मगदो.
God Kabir himself says,
हम ही अलखला है कुतुब गोस और पीर, गरीबदास खालक धनी हमारा नाम कबीर. ए स्वामी सृष्टा में और सृष्टि हमारे तीर, दास गरीब अधर बसू.
Kabir Sahib tells, I live up.
और मेरा नाम कबीर.
And these ignorant say that first Kabir Sahib got absorbed, later Indramati emerged. Then how did they discuss? Use your mind a little. Previous followers went to hell, now you save yourselves. The rest who are trapped by these fake gurus, get rid of them and get your welfare done. This time will not come again.
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन। अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org। संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है। अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541।